Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Defsecintel and Origin Robotics sign agreement to deliver Europe's first operational counter-drone wall. Defsecintel Solutions of Estonia and Latvia's Origin Robotics have signed a memorandum of understanding to jointly deliver the first operational, cross-border counter-drone shield in Europe. The partnership was formalized during Estonian Defense Week and will support the drone wall initiative aimed at neutralizing hostile unmanned aerial threats. The drone wall is designed to detect and defeat a wide range of drones, including loitering munitions, fixed-wing reconnaissance UAVs, unmanned aerial vehicles, and swarming drone tactics. The system combines long-range radar, electronic warfare capabilities, and autonomous aerial interceptors in a modular, scalable, and combat-proven platform. Politicians have called for a drone wall. "We are ready to build it," said Jonas Tam, CEO of Defsecintel Solutions. "This is not a concept. This is a live, integrated system that's ready today and already protecting Europe's eastern flank. This is not a roadmap or a PowerPoint. We offer European end-users a turnkey CUAS counter-unmanned aircraft system or counter-unmanned aerial system solution with the best available combat-proven effectors in the Baltic region against low-flying hostile drones." Defsecintel contributes the EIR Shield system, developed using operational insights from Ukraine and featuring multi-layer sensor fusion and long-range detection. Origin Robotics brings Blaze, an autonomous interceptor drone equipped with AI-driven tracking, computer vision, and a fragmentation warhead for high-speed threat elimination. The need for a system like Blaze is immediate. It's driven by real-world operational demands that are unfolding right now, said Agris Kippers, CEO of Origin Robotics. It delivers fast launch interception at a fraction of the cost. No theory, this is already in the hands of real users. The collaboration addresses the growing threat of drone warfare, particularly along Europe's eastern borders, where traditional procurement cycles can no longer meet urgent defense needs. The drone wall is being launched by Defsecintel Solutions and the Defense Estonia cluster, with additional partners from other Baltic states. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.